So I got up this morning to go to work, and I just checked on the tent because it's so windy outside, and yeah, it's seems to have blown the back off the tent. So I'll try and fix it up best I can for now, and then I'll have to find a way of reinforcing it. I have done my best to secure this end panel. It has ripped an eyelet out at the top there, so we'll see how good it is, but I put some rope all the way around and also tied some small ratchet strap ties around a few places. I've done the same to the front just in case this panel comes off, so I put some rope around. We'll see how long it lasts, but yeah, it's been really windy. It should be dying down soon. Now I have these brackets made up, I'll bolt them to the car, and then I'll get the wings fixed in line with the door line either side, and then we can move on to getting the side skirts mounted. Firstly, I need to get the passenger side wing off so I can fit the door to get this line right along the front edge of the door. At the top here, I'm just going to use a 4.8mm larger rivet to drill straight into the body shell. Wind is crazy. Now I just need to trim the door line so the door can open without hitting the front wing. So it's the day after the storm, there's not a breath of wind, so what a difference a day makes. I'll continue to work on this body kit mount, so the next thing to do is to figure out how I am going to install the side skirts. In order to know exactly where the sill joins the rear quarter panel, I need to loosely fix the rear quarter in place so I know where this point starts and ultimately where it will join the front wing. I have decided to change my method of mounting this rear quarter. I wanted to sit this lip on top of the car body. Now I've decided to cut it flush on the corner where it curls around, and then I can have this edge sit on the corner, and then with a small amount of filler I can just blend it in so the car body shell is the top line of the quarter panel. you.